How you doing there, everybody? It's John here again, and I am in Ladysmith at dusk, and we're gonna go and take a look at all the lights they got set up for the holidays. So come on, let's get going. Look at that. This is a neat little spot. Check this place out. Pretty cool, eh? Look at that. Like a secret garden back in here. It's not quite dark yet, but it's pretty dark. So we should be able to see some of the lights out here. They always do such a great job of decorating around Ladysmith. Lots of beautiful art galleries. So check it out. Look at this. All lit up, looking nice. Holy cow. And if you look up the street, this is pretty much where it starts, here on Robertson First. This is the same walk I did in my Ladysmith video, without all the lights, of course. It's just getting dark, so. Check this out. They got all these little pods that you can get in and have a bite to eat. That's pretty cool, eh? Oh, check it out. Look at that. Oh, and if you're wondering, by the way, right over here is the Old Town Bakery. And I just got myself some cinnamon rolls that are just utter dynamite. It was a nice little display. Look at that. But anyway, this cinnamon roll is it's got eggnog cream on the top. Oh my goodness, is it ever something. They got lots of different flavors of ones too. I'll probably just go down a little ways and then I'll come back up. Oh, there's the old Knight's clock. Oh, you can go in and vote for your favorite Christmas tree. They do that in Camel River as well, at the museum. Just gonna see if I can get it on. Show you some of the lights all the way down the street here. Look at that, eh? Isn't that nice? Jeez, Ladysmith does a huge amount of lights. It's always so beautiful. They do such a great job. like those things, those lanterns in the middle. Oh, check it out. Ooh, candy. That's a nice looking gingerbread house there. Holy cow. This poor old guy. Get down here a little bit farther. Some of the lights aren't on yet, which, I mean, maybe it's not quite dark enough. Like you can see some of the ones on top of the Legion there. Over there on top of the post office. Lots of pretty lights. Holy cow. Sorry, I'm a little nervous. I'm dressed a little dark, and I was worried I'm going to get run over. Nobody's going to see me coming. Alright, look at this. Jeez. Lots and lots of lights. Yeah, nice place for a little walk. Just go down here a little farther, see what we see. Oh, I like the elephant. Look at that guy. That's a cutie. Holy cow. It's starting to spit a little rain on me here, so I might be out of luck soon. I just wanted to see what those flashing ones were down a little farther. I think that's down by the grocery store there. Oh, that's Country Grocer right there. Huh. Holy cow. Geez, this house sure is nice too. Look at that. Boy, oh boy. Oh, hang on. Is that the Grinch? Oh, he's sneaking up the gun. Oh, man, look at that. Old Grinch is sneaking up the chimney. there you go. How about that? That's Ladysmith. All of the lights up and everything's looking lovely. It's getting darker, so it'll start to show up a little nicer, but I just happen to be coming through and I figure, well, better take advantage. Well, thanks so much for coming by and seeing me again. I hope you had a good time. Thanks so much, and I'll see you the next time. Okay, I get to the other side of the road and I'm walking up the street when I noticed on top of Share Care they got singing Christmas trees with snowmen playing the guitar. How could I not record that for you? I mean, really? Not only that, check out these. Like, I saw these at a distance. That's hilarious. These are really cute. Oh, yeah. Right there. That's still making me laugh, though. Oh boy, there's a bunch of other stuff opening up here, so the walk will be continued because I see a lot of things are turning on now. And there's Christmas carols. Are those copyright? I guess we'll find out soon enough. Tell Burl Ives I'm sorry. I used his song in my video purely by accident. Alright, I'll just go up a little higher, pause for a second. Okay, stuff is on, and on top of the Legion, you got the Poppy, of course. And up over here, there is what I believe is a chef juggling something or other. Not entirely sure what he's juggling, but it's something. We will investigate further. Oh, if that on the post office, everything come up. Oh. Okay, well, here is some interesting stuff. And in particular, the train. Oh, there's Santa Claus in the train. I didn't know he drove a loco, but hey, the guy's a many-talented fella. Okay, everything is looking bright and shiny now. Holy cats. You can see all the soldiers standing guard. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Well, there you go. I would have missed all kinds of stuff. Holy cow. I got to see some more lights. How about that? And so did you. So thanks so much again. And we'll see you again soon.